This is Jonathan over with a JebandSons.com video walkthrough. So I've gone ahead and I've logged out, and I'm going to go to this JebandSons.com/WP-admin. That's going to bring me to our admin login area, and I'm going to go ahead and I use a password program, and I'm going to go ahead and log in with my username and password. Now, once I'm logged in, I'm going to be greeted with our admin area. Okay, I'm just going to go walk through each of these different areas and where you'll spend most of your time, Tim. So this is the dashboard, just kind of greets us. It has some WordPress news and some at-a-glance items. But the main portion of our site, if I flip over here, we have these navigation pages. So if I look at East Meadows here, we have our navigation. Our category is East Meadows, and this shows all of our East Meadows areas. Okay, and what you're going to want to do is, well, what I'll do first for you is I'll set up a new category, and this category will be Quail Creek. So Quail Creek, and I'm going to go ahead and add that, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a new post. So just for this example, just because we're doing a video demo, I'm going to go ahead and just call this Quail Creek 1. And so that's our title. That's going to be what shows up here. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy that content and copy that right in there. So we're just going to do Quail Creek 2-story. We'll just pretend that that's our content. So I can go ahead and put in that title. That's going to be an H3 to get that green color. Okay. And just a normal paragraph. I can write my text, and if I want everything to maintain a line up below it, it's going to be Shift and Enter. So now that I hit that first return, so you can put your content in there. You know, change how many bedrooms, and how many square feet everything is, bathrooms, fireplace, 2-car garage. Once you do this, you want to make sure that you do the Quail Creek as your category. And let me just look at the East Meadow real quick. So let's look at the Caitlin. Let's go to edit that post. So once the Caitlin's loaded here, okay, so we have a gallery. Alright, so what we need to do is also create a gallery. So for now, let's just go ahead and save this. And once that's done there, alright, I'm going to hit return, and let's add media. So since I don't have photos for the Quail Creek, I'm just going to go ahead and add media. And for this example, I'm just going to grab these 2 photos. So it's going to take those, and I want to create a gallery. Create the new gallery. Make sure those are media files, and we'll do 3. Insert gallery. So let's go ahead and view this post. So I'm going to hold down Command or Control on the PC and do View Post. And let's save that draft. So this is refreshing here, and if I click on that, right now it makes the image big. Looks like I have to do something a little different to get that thumbnail to pop up, or to make the big image. I can fix that though. Alright, so here's our content. So basically we could have our first little image here. So let's do add image, and we'll do an outside picture, just a single photo of a house, just for this example. We don't want anybody to click to a different photo, but we just want a medium version of it, and we can do that left. So that'll insert that photo here. Oh. Oh, there it is. Alright, so the photo's there. Let's go ahead and publish that. And once our little refresh guy goes the other way, we'll know that that content's been saved. Refresh that page. And Quail Creek. Well, we want our content over there, so I think in here we did do a left justify. There we go. Okay. I had to click on the image and then click the align left there. I'll fix that in the code, but for some reason that text is not kicking up next to it like it should. Oh no, I guess it is supposed to be underneath. So maybe we want that. Actually, we want this one, no alignment, because we want. Let's just go with that. Sorry about that. It's been a while since I've been in the site editor for this project. There we go. So now the text is underneath. So that's pretty much it. Again, you're going to go to Edit Post, Add New Post, put in the main image, and make sure that that one has that center alignment. Your text here is going to be heading 3, so you can highlight that, hit heading 3, or if you're typing new, you can just type out your information. Put in your specs for the house, and then add your images. And those will show up underneath. I'll look at the code there and see why that isn't popping up to its own little lightbox window like the other ones. Now you want to add this to the menu, so we're going to go ahead and go to the menus. So that's under Appearance Menus. And once you're here, you'll see we have East Meadow and projects there. So we want to just go ahead and grab the category for Quail Creek. We're going to add that to the menu. And I'll put that here. Let's say we want to make that a little prominent. Go ahead and hit Save. And when I refresh the page here, I'll add Quail Creek. So when I click on Quail Creek now, our most recent post is going to be there. Okay. So hopefully that all makes sense. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Now, if you do need to edit any of the, let's say the services, you can go into that service page. Look at that, services are listed and there's no content in there. So maybe we should either get rid of that or fill this out. But services, when you click on that, you can go ahead and Command or Control click the edit page. That'll open up a new window. And I'm just going to write coming soon here. So when that page loads, type in coming soon. And there we go. So you're welcome to go through and edit those page contents if there's anything missing. Again, you can get to that by going to each individual page and doing the edit page button here at the top. Or if you want to go to all of your pages, and then you can see the individual pages there in that list. And you can edit that content as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. Again, this has been Jonathan over with the Jeb Sons video walkthrough.